What's good, everybody, ladies and gentlemen? It's me, the Texas Beer Nerd, at you one more time with another video. Okay. Uh, Sorry I haven't been making no videos lately. I've been working, so that's a good thing. You know, I don't make a living off this. I wish I did. So, anyway, I just want to let y'all know. For if y'all stuck with me, y'all stay with me. I appreciate it. And that's it, man. Let's get right to this video. This is going to be a good video. I got my glass already ready to go. As you can tell, I'm stalling because I'm nervous. I don't really want to do this one, but it's been a long time coming, and I'm just not gonna hold it off any longer than what it is. Okay, now I want to ask y'all: does anybody know what the not workers cough, smokers cough? For all you smokers out there, do y'all know what the smokers cough shot is? There's a hint right there. Yes, it's mayonnaise with Jaeger. Whew. I'm just gonna dive right into it because I don't care. Okay, I got my shot glass right here. I'm about to try this and give y'all my review and see what it do, baby. I'm extremely nervous. I got my bucket ready to throw up if I have to. If y'all see my videos and y'all know, this ain't gonna be the only shot that I'm taking. I got other shots that I'm gonna try. Really good ones. So, without further ado, let's get on it. This is a it's not the oh my gosh. This is fresh right here. Let's see, I crack that bad boy open. Now, I'm not a big fan of Jaeger or a big fan of mayonnaise. Well, this is Miracle Whip. People are gonna be like, "That's not mayonnaise. It's mayo and tangy dressing." Workers' cough is a workers' cough, I suppose. Note you that it's probably like 12 o'clock in the afternoon, and I'm doing this video. So, oh my. Okay. Shout out to my homeboy Kevin Tooth Road. Y'all go listen to his music and stuff, man. Happy birthday. Alright. Workers cough. Workers cough. Smokers cough. I keep saying workers cough. Look at that big old scoop. Put that right there. Get in there. Oh, that's so nasty. There it is. That's it. It's so gross. Oh my gosh. I'm not licking the spoon. Ah! Okay. I need a chaser. And I went to the store and look what I found. Remember, this is still a review. Look at that. Steel Reserve 211 Spiked Mystery. Alright, you scan the code and you enter to scan mystery. And I don't know what it says what you could win. Well, you can win up to $10,000. So, guys, if you're a big fan of the Steel Reserve, go get you one of these. Scan the code, get on it. That is crazy. $10,000? I can use $10,000. Let's crack this bad boy open before I get into that. I've been really excited about this one, though. I'm not gonna lie. Smell test. Oh, it smells like grapefruit. You heard it from me first. Ah. Pour it up. Ooh, that looks good. That's probably all I'm gonna need. Oh shoot! I'm just gonna put my can up here somewhere. Okay. Here it is, the mystery. It tastes like grapefruit, but everything tastes like grapefruit to me. I don't know. Lemon lime, I think. That might be lemon lime. That's lemon lime. That's good. That is lemon lime. Go out there and get it and try it. Anyway, enough stalling. Bottoms up. Oh gosh, here we go. Something in, is this German? Yeah, something in German. Fuck. Excuse my language. Oh. Oh my gosh. Oh. Ugh. Oh my goodness. Not the taste, the texture. Oh, not the taste, the texture. Oh gosh, that's nasty as hell. I mean, do people order that? Like, seriously? Oh my god, Jaeger's nasty. Mm. Oh gosh, so much alcohol. Oh. Oh my goodness. Wow. Wow. That is nasty. A little bit left. I ain't finishing that. I got plenty to go. That makes me nervous about all the other ones I chose. Oh my gosh, that makes me so nervous about the other ones I chose. Why? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh. Whoa. I got paper towels today. Woo-wee. Okay. Alright. Alright. Well, anyway. I think we got lemon lime right there. It's really good. The shot, 0. It's disgusting. The drink is decent. Tastes like lemon lime to me now. I don't know. I can enjoy it. I can enjoy it. It feels like it might give you heartburn or something, but what doesn't these days? Woo. Alrighty. Back at it. Enough effing around. Okay, my next one. My glass isn't too foggy for y'all. Alright, my next one. Got to pour the Jaeger up. Man, there's a lot of shots. Good thing I'm not pouring that much. Save some of this. Nice little shot right there. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm going to try now the old family favorite, sour cream. Now, if that's a smoker's cough, I guess this would be the worker's cough. This would be something. The Mexican cough, I don't know. I use a lot of sour cream on my stuff too. So, it can be that. But anyway. Can y'all hear that? It's a little, a little something for you. Okay. I'm gonna give you a good little dab. Just a dollop of daisy. Oh gosh. Yeah, they said dollop of daisy is everything. Oh my gosh. Sorry I couldn't show y'all. I will show y'all that it's in there. Oh, there's the camera on this side. Look at that. I hope it comes out. Ooh, what this thing stinks. Okay. Okay, come on. Man up. Okay. Can't let this video go on for too long. Oh, oh my. Oh, it's in there. It's floating. I'm gonna stir it around a little bit. There it goes. It's loose. Alright. Just mayonnaise. They ain't nothing. I mean, just sour cream. Oh my gosh. That bottoms up. Something in German. That was not made to be together. Oh. Oh. That was not made to be together. Oh my. That was not made to be together. That was the worst. Oh my gosh, that was the worst. Yeah. Yeah, that's I guess you would call that the sour cough. The sour cream. Oh, that was the oh my gosh. It started mixing together and actually started turning the Jaeger a certain color. This Jaeger makes me gag anyway. You know? Jaeger makes me sick anyway, you know? So I mean I should have got another glass. Goodness. I'm gonna have a mess on my hands here. Oh my gosh. You know. Oh. Okay. Oh. Alright. 2 shots down. Oh my. Wow. Oh wow. My stomach is killing me now. But I'll make it, baby. I'll persevere. I don't give a damn. Okay. Whew. Another shot. So I'm drinking shots like I'm. But I tell you what, I'm drinking shots like I'm in hard times. Pour me another shot, bartender, and put some sauce on it this time. Well, I don't know what kind of coughs they have in Philadelphia, but that's where we're traveling now. Oh, Philadelphia, here I come. Oh, my spoons. Dropping right here. That I just used. Ugh. Philadelphia looks a little watery as well. Give it a little mix. There we go. Now it's not brand new. I had made some poppers the other day, so jalapeno poppers. If you know what they are, then you know what I'm saying. That seems like a lot, but I guess that's a good thing. It seems like a lot, but that's a good thing because we're on YouTube. Oh, weak. Now I got to go into. That's too much. Oh, it just looks like too much. I'm so nervous. Grab my other spoon here. I'm gonna back it up. I'm gonna put this right on the edge. Right there. Drop it in there. Oh! Oh my. Philadelphia. Get it loose. Alright, it's loose. Philadelphian cough. Philadelphian cough. Wow. It's so thick. Oh, I'm gonna have to chew it. Oh my goodness. Okay. Word in German. 4 bottoms up and oh, please. Here I go. Here I go. Here I go. It's so thick. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Jaeger is so nasty. Oh my gosh, Jaeger is so nasty. Oh. Oh, get some jackets. Oh. Wow. Wow. Oh wow. Again, another thumbs down. Did I rate the other one? I don't know. There's a thumbs down. This stuff is stuck in my teeth. Oh, it's stuck in my teeth and everything. Oh no. Oh no, I'm gonna have a stomach ache. My stomach is so hot. Whew. Boy, that Jaeger get you hot though. I didn't even drink that much. I mean, you know, people that can chug these whole damn things. Not me. Not me. Oh, look, I'm gonna put this one away because I'm done with this shots. But wait, there's more. There's always more. Always more when you gotta be on YouTube. Okay. Now, I got a lot of friends that like to work out, you know. Excuse me. I can throw up any second. I got a lot of friends that like to work out. So, they gotta get their protein on. So when you get your protein on, you know, get your protein on. You need a big glass, right? You work out, you strong, you're a strong man, you're a strong woman. Right, get you a little shot style right there. I mean, I guess I'll pour a little bit more. I'll let y'all know. Every time I take one of these shots, I'm so tempted to spit it out. I mean, the whole thing. I force myself to swallow this. So, I'll put this back here so I can see that it is, in fact, Jägermeister. I don't even care. I'm starting to get tipsy as hell. Yep. I'm buzzing out. I am going to be buzzed at the end of this one. But anyway. So, since I'm buzzed, I probably can't go to the gym and get my workout on. So, I got to do something a little different. You know. A little protein shake. Because protein, you know, we're getting buff around here. Rocky Balboa style. So, there I go. This is, don't drop no crumbs in there. Rocky Balboa style, baby. You know, let's get every drop in there. You know, you gotta do it right. For everybody who likes to work out, like me. I really don't work out. I'm lying. Naturally built in a circle. I'm naturally shaped. So, there it is. Yeah, I don't want to get this out the camera because I don't want y'all to think that I'm pulling in any tomfoolery. But there it is, guys. This might have to take two, or should I scramble it? I don't know if I should scramble it, or should I just take it home? Look how it sits, it separates. Oh my gosh. What was I thinking? Buckets are ready. What is this called? This is the grunter's cough, baby. When I hit them weights, you gotta grunt every time. The grunter's weight. Not Can I get some salt and pepper? Okay, here we go. Wow. Oh, let's get it over with. Cheers. That's so much. Oh, it went down. Oh, it went down. Oh, I didn't spit it. I drank it. The egg don't taste like nothing. It's the same thing. It's just the texture. But it's so much. Wow. Okay. Oh. Okay. I'm good. I'm good. I'm good. Drink it all. There it is. Go get you a mystery Steel Reserve, guys. I'm not sponsored. Get it. And try to win you that 10. Try to win you that $10,000, bro. I mean, what do you got to lose? As for me, I'm gonna finish this in due time. Like, comment, subscribe. Happy birthday, Kevin, yet again. And I'll see you guys next time. Now go drink some beers, baby.